What do you do when you're overwhelmed with space and projects that you're working on and you're already overcrowded? You get a new project. Got my little helper in here. Hey, sweet girl. You having fun? Anyway.
Oh, Daddy, Dove.
Yeah.
No.
Delta Force Mini Storm. It's a 21.5-inch boat. Little TFL hobby outboard. I'll do a review on this little motor. I couldn't really find anything online. Just one or two videos where people have used them, but I'll definitely do something on this. So, one little outboard boat. I think it's going to be fun. There's going to be some challenges to get it on there, but we're going to work through and get her done.
Daddy.
Say hi to everybody.
Daddy.
Yeah. So, this is the idea anyway. I'm going to have to make some stuff. Steering's probably going to be a little bit of a challenge, but we'll get it figured out. I said it's just going to be a fun project. Little outboard boat, little outboard mono. So that cowling makes it look a lot bigger. But anyway, just something fun I wanted to do. I wanted to get a TFL Warrior, but I didn't want to spend $600, and I like little small boats. I think this hole in the motor was $150 total from OSE. So anyway, y'all know I'm gonna have videos of it. Yeah. This is what you get when you open the box. So, some steering rod, your outboard. I already put the mount on it. It comes in a separate little bag right here. You get a 3214 CNC prop and your mounting hardware. Yeah, nice carbon fiber cavitation plate, your water pickup, then underneath the hood, you've got your, come on phone, focus, your 3000 kV little outrunner motor, water cooling block, steering links. It's a machine, very nice. A nice little unit. So, let me open it up and we'll check out the inside. Yeah, then on the inside, you just undo your little collet, undo the few screws, pull your cover off. You've got your Teflon liner, your little square drive shaft. It's really nice. You got a bushing here. I see that OSE has some replacement parts. Let me pull this little shaft out right quick. Yeah, one-piece shaft. There's your little stub, your little square drive, bushing. Yeah, neat. What a cool little piece. I'm excited to do this thing. I hope I can get it to work out. We'll figure it out. We'll make something work. So anyway, that's it for today. Just wanted to show off the new little project, give you a little breakdown of these outboards, since there's really not a whole lot on YouTube about them. What'd you find now? Stickers? Yeah. Anyway, this kind of the idea just for the setup. Push-pull, standard size servo, Seeking 120 out of the Pursuit, or I'm going to take my Fly Color 90 out of the Blackjack 24, stick it in there. I'm not sure. This little thing's actually pretty small. It'll have all the power I'll ever need, and then just a 2S or 3S battery. So yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. I got the CG already right here. Anyway, we'll get all that figured out with the motor on the back. So, yeah, Delta Force Mini Storm.